everyone. Welcome to today's 10-minute meditation. I am Nora Truscello with Intuition, and today's meditation we are going to be focusing on spiritual clearing. Yesterday we did emotional clearing. Today is spiritual. The rest of the week we're going to work on physical clearing. Okay. As always, we start with the prayer of protection, and I'd like you to say them with me or repeat them after me. We go into the guided portion, the silent portion. The silent portion is ended with the chime, so I don't jolt you out of your quiet place. And we close with the 23rd Psalm. So let's get started. To take a deep breath, first completely exhale. It really helps in the relaxing process. Then pull in a deep breath and close your eyes. Ready? As I approach the throne of grace, beauty, and might, I throw about myself the protections found in the thought of the Christ. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For the kingdom, the power, and the glory are yours now and forever. Let us start now by just scanning our body. Scan and see if there's any tightness anywhere. Start from the top of your head and work your way down. When you find a little tightness, just invite your body to relax. Take a couple deep breaths while you're doing this and go into your relaxed place. Now that we've moved out any of the tightness, let's return to the top of our forehead and to the top of our head, our third eye, and our crown chakras. Notice there is an energy there. As always, this is where the energy flows in from the divine through our body and out our feet. It is always there, always present. When we bring our attention to it, we often can feel it. As we follow this flow of beautiful, loving, unconditional source of everything through our bodies, we're going to notice that it separates with our intention our physical, our mental, and our spiritual bodies, so that we can just focus on our spiritual once we unwind them. So let's start from the top of our head, and as we move into our head, start to feel the separation. Feel yourself slightly pulling away from your physical in two directions. Into your neck, and notice there is a physical, a spiritual, and an emotional you attached but separate. Into your shoulders, arms and hands, into your trunk. Envision, if you don't feel it, imagine it. It is there. There are three parts of you. Into your seat, your legs, your feet, and we remain grounded and attached to the divine. Now let's go back up to the top of our heads and notice the three different yous: the physical, the mental, and the spiritual. Now placed in your right hand is a beautiful angelic cloth given to you from the divine. Let us move down the spiritual part of you and wipe away anything that's not crystal clear, anything that looks like it doesn't belong. If there's something that's even a slight disturbance, maybe there's just a fog through everything, a light like fog on a window. Let's just wipe this all out as we move down in silence and in love and appreciation to the divine to God for giving us this opportunity. It's time to begin to wrap ourselves back up. Let us take that cloth and just pass it up into the heavens with a thank you for this opportunity, with appreciation in our hearts. Let us begin to close as we bring our attention back into the presence with the 23rd Psalm. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in a path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil. My cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channels. I would really appreciate it. And to learn more, visit me at Into Intuition. INTOINTUITION.com. And I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Thanks and have a blessed day. Bye.